Hey guys, we're back with Sports Session and we're watching funny videos today. And we gotta put some water in our mouth and there will be a winner.
I was bonus stone. No. Let's watch that video.